Hey Dan, Mike. My name's Corey. Diane told me to send over the screencast over to you. Real quick, I'm just going to go over three quick tips. How really to drawing more quality traffic for yourself and really closing down more quality work. So the three things I'm going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Kind of running over your site for a second. So really looking at your words here, really bringing your count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need a lot more content in there, so that way you can be layered in and find other keywords at what you're actually trying to be found for as well. Even these images, what they're saved as, it's all content. Google actually recognizes that. Do Greenway, just set your logo at the top, but all these other ones you can actually do keywords. That's going to make a huge difference with your rankings. Now, if I go inside of Google here, type in HVAC Wilmington DE, this is what you're going to see. These Google guarantees are actually brand new. They came up with these to get rid of those old school traditional ads, which they put on the bottom. These became very spammy, so they came up with these to help block out some of those old school, to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. Anyway, it's still in the form of paid advertisements. I've seen some of these ads, $20, $30, up to about $140, depending on the locations. A lot of people came up with ad blockers as well in 2020, so I don't know if you're running ads and see a dip in your ads that actually go through. But anyway, underneath this ad section is is this little map section here, and really to get the rankings here is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section is going to be dealing with all the organic traffic. This is the first page of Google, and really to get yourself there is going to be dealing with that authoric content, also being found for those keywords, and also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks actually created equal. Now, if I go in and take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So this is actually your first page here. It doesn't look like I got any data. It looks like you've been, let me go to your one of your back pages here. This is one of your back pages. Looks like you're pushing all your traffic there. So you got 6 referring domains, which is pushing back 13 different backlinks. You're being found for 165 keywords. So in total, you got 23 clicks to your website every month. So coming in, seeing where these, you started this thing back in 2018 or so. Kind of coming in and see where these clicks are coming from. You got your name here at the top, AC Family, Harrington. I'm just looking for some keywords, buyer's intent keywords, like, hang on. Oh, I don't see any. Air conditioning repair, Wilmington DE. There we go. There's 20 clicks for that one keyword. You're 43rd position, so you're missing all the traffic. Let me show you one of your competitors. This is J. Frederick and Sons. Put them inside of Ahrefs real quick. I'm going to do an overview. So they got 134 referring domains, which is pushing back 821 backlinks. They got 506 keywords. The PPC stands for pay per click, so it doesn't look like they're running any ads, but they are getting 399 clicks to their site. And I can actually show you the quality of the 399 here. Plumber Wilmington DE, there's 150 clicks. They're getting 25 clicks. I think it could be a little bit better, but they're only second position. Anyway, they got the name here at the top. Look, bathroom remodeling Delaware. Looks like they're doing some remodeling services, which that's a really big, decent sized ticket item as well. 60 clicks for that area, and they're getting 21 clicks every month from that one keyword out of the 60, which is really good. Coming in, HVAC Delaware, 100 clicks every month. They're getting about 13% of the 100 clicks. So really coming in and finding these keywords that's just really going to drive more quality traffic for yourself is going to be really crucial, and also being in a position that you're ranking, and also will draw on the amount of traffic that you're coming for each keyword as well. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over and think that I might have a few tricks on my sleeve, feel free to reach back out to me. Love to talk to you, or apply these 3 free tips for yourself. And if you want to give me a review on how I did in this video too, that'd be cool. Have a good day. Thank you.